Located on 13.84 acres, this picturesque property offers space, functionality, and classic character. Ideal for hobbyists or equestrian enthusiasts, the 30'x40 horse barn features dual 10'x40 lean-tos for additional storage. The oversized 3+ stall garage, 48'x32, includes a dedicated workshop space, providing endless possibilities for projects and storage. The home boasts a welcoming covered front porch and an additional exterior entrance to the basement. Recent updates include newer shingles, 2019, on both the house and garage, as well as durable Hardie board siding. Inside, the spacious kitchen features beautiful hickory cabinets, a built-in hutch, and a brand new dishwasher, 2025. The inviting living room is highlighted by a cozy gas fireplace, ceiling fan, and access to a serene screened-in porch. The upper level offers 3 same-floor bedrooms plus a versatile bonus room, while original trim work and a leaded glass window preserve the home's timeless charm. The lower level family room includes a real wood fireplace, and the home